about to say this, but my third sensory story is released. The life cycle of a strawberry, and we're going to tell it together today. First of all, there's instructions on what is a sensory story and how to tell a sensory story. And then here is the instruction menu for everything you need in the story. Our story starts with a teeny tiny seed. And I've got two options here. I've coloured some rice, or I have some chia seeds, which are really teeny tiny, and both are taste safe. Our story starts with a tiny seed. Our story starts with a tiny seed. Falling to the ground, burrowing deep. I've got some compost here. Falling to the ground, burrowing deep. Or if you're brave, you could use your feet. Falling on the ground, burrowing deep. The tiny seed splits open. The tiny seed splits open as a shoot pushes free. As a shoot pushes free. Here grow the roots to soak in the water. Here grow the roots to soak in the water. Here grow the leaves to soak in the sun. And here grow the leaves to soak in the sun. And here grow the leaves to soak in the sun. Taller and taller it grows. I've got two options for this one as well. Taller and taller it grows. Or a balloon. Taller and taller it grows. Delicate petals form at the tip. Delicate petals form at the tip. Delicate petals form at the tip. Sweet tasting fruit hangs from the branches, and you can either do some real strawberry smelling or tasting, or you can use a red sensory ball, or as I've used, a red balloon mixed with your strawberry scent. Sweet tasting fruit hangs from the branches, covered in tiny seeds. And the cycle starts again. That story's gotten me a little bit hungry. I like strawberries. If you'd like to gain access to this story, you can find the link to it in the description below. This will sit along lots of sensory stories similar, all as part of my sensory curriculum.